Hey guys, I'm locking myself in the bathroom because it's really hard to find a quiet spot in a house with kids, and I've got three and they're loud. I just wanted to talk about ketamine and my experience. Okay, so I had my first infusion. I'm going to be getting six therapeutic infusions, and it's quite an experience. So they started me a little bit lower than other people because I have a tendency to kind of react sensitively, and I have anxiety, so I was pretty anxious about the whole thing. I'm making a video because there's a lot of people that share experiences, good and bad, and I found them to be really helpful for me, but also sometimes not helpful because usually people either with anything with reviews is usually like the best reviews of like 5 stars or like 1 stars. So I'm trying to get like a nice balanced review. So I had zero point 0.4, which I think is something like 40 milligrams. You sit in a recliner. It's very clinical, but it's also very like chill. They turn off like the bright lights, and they have like spa music playing, and a plant and different like lanterns. Like it was just really like chill, which is what you want. And you're told to kind of bring like a blanket from home. Any other things you might want, like, so headphones and music was like probably one of the most important things, I feel like, is because you can kind of focus and sort of go inward, but like in a very zen-like state. Granted, depends on the music that you pick. I had some sort of yoga, zen, super chill, ambient music, and yeah, it was my experience actually was pretty positive. So I started feeling the effects after a couple of minutes. Started noticing, kind of felt like you drank like a whole bottle of wine like at once, and so everything sort of starts getting a little wonky, and kind of dizzy and all of that. So we did that, and then I sort of like my eyes would shut and then they would open, and that's when I started to it's really hard to describe, like this medication compared to, I've done mushrooms, I've done acid, I've done hallucinogens before. This one's really difficult to describe. Apparently usually every like infusion is very different from the other one. You're connected, you're still kind of aware of what's going on, but you're also like you've left. Like I definitely blasted off. I was very kind of in my mind and in my body. Some of the weird things that happened. So one of the things was I felt like I was a giant anesthetized tongue. Like my whole body felt very numb, kind of like Novocaine. And my mouth felt numb. I kind of would like kind of keep doing that. My tongue felt like big. I didn't really try talking much. I kind of really zoned out on the music and was just sort of like trying to keep it all chill and happy. So I didn't go into like the K-hole experience that many others speak about. I was not wanting that. So I kind of got messages. I didn't really like see like hallucinations or anything. I don't know, I kind of kept hearing, I'm not even like religious, I'm kind of Buddhist, Taoist, I don't know. Kept hearing God is love, God loves me. I kind of kept getting, I don't know, everybody's all one. Like it was kind of, I don't know, like a profound experience. I kind of felt like I was floating, but I also felt like I was melting, like a like the little melt candle things. Like I was sort of melting into the chair as a giant tongue. I don't know. It was a really good experience. So I didn't really freak out. I mean, occasionally I would open my eyes and check to make sure I was breathing, because you sort of lose your body a little bit. Let's see, what other things. I mean, overall, it was a pretty good experience. You lose time. That's one of the big things, is I definitely lost kind of the concept of time, and how time was really irrelevant. So it was kind of like, I don't know, like there were still like pieces of logic that was coming through, but then there's like other kind of profound, deep thinking thoughts. And I was like, oh my gosh, the music to this experience is kind of everything that sets the tone. I mean, it's like anything, right? Like if you're tripping on mushrooms, you want to make sure you're in a safe environment with nice people around. You know, you just want to make sure it's kind of like a good trip, a good experience. So that was important. My husband being there was super important. He was like my grounding connection. Like he would kind of just keep rubbing my hand the whole time. And he was sort of like my, I don't know, like my connection to earth. So then once I came out of it, I felt like really Willy Wonka. Like my world was super loopy. And I was like, oh my God, I'm like fucked up. Like, sorry for the language, but I was, yeah, you definitely get high, or I don't know, trip. It's kind of, it's a really hard experience to describe. And now I can understand from other people's experiences that you have a hard time describing what it's like. The day of, I felt incredibly exhausted, like probably the most tired I've ever felt. And I kind of had the experience of like kind of coming out of the trip when I was like, humans are so weird. We are such souls in these meat suits, and there's a lot of pain and suffering. I definitely got that message, was kind of, there's so many people enacting out their fears and their pain and their hurts, and it's not being processed necessarily. So that was kind of a big message that I was getting. And then I just had a really bad headache, and then I kind of got depression again, and sort of a bit of suicidal thoughts, but nothing too crazy. I just sort of did a lot of self-care. They say to make sure that you have like kind of a plan where you're doing very relaxed, happy activities, like maybe watching a good movie, or doing like coloring mandalas, or napping, I don't know, taking baths, stuff like that. So let's see. Trying to think of I'm trying to make sure I kind of cover all the things. Like you definitely relax and do nothing the day of. It's crazy. And then I woke up this morning and I felt so good. And I'm like, part of me is like, let's knock on wood, because like I don't want to jinx it, or, you know, put all my eggs in one basket and kind of get my hopes up. But oh my gosh, today I finally woke up without such severe pain. So I went in, I have anxiety, depression, PTSD, OCD, migraines, and chronic pain. It was like literally ding, 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 all the things. So I was a great candidate for it. I've been on medications, so many medications, and I just find that they maybe work, maybe don't. They maybe work for a while. But they're not, I don't know. Apparently ketamine creates new pathways in your brain, and it can really, it's not as much of a Band-Aid fix. It seems to be more of a root cause fix, and that's what I've been looking for. You know, I've done therapy, I've done all of it. You name it, I've done it. This was an incredible experience. And I've got other infusions coming up, and I plan on talking about those as well, because sometimes just hearing other people's stories can maybe give you the confidence to seek the treatment for yourself. So 40% is about how much antidepressants work, SSRIs. This has ratings 70, 80% where they're finding benefits from it, which is like double, which is huge and amazing. So there's a lot of promise, and I'm really excited to see how it can help. I mean, today I had energy. I felt like a heaviness lifted. Oh my gosh. I don't know if normal people sort of feel like this, but if so, I feel like I've been missing out on a lot as far as kind of feeling lighter. I've been carrying so much, and I don't want to. You know, I've done EMDR, I've done EFT tapping, I've done Reiki, I've done just everything. CBT therapy, DBT, EMDR, I don't know. I've done it all. So anyway, if you're considering it, I would definitely look into it. I would meditate on it to see if maybe it's right for you. I'm really, really grateful that there's this treatment out there for people like me who have had depression and anxiety and PTSD for a long time, and just are looking for something, you know, a different option that seems to actually be helping people. So anyway, I'm gonna stop there. I apologize, this is a little bit longer than I wanted, but I wanted to make sure that I was sharing my experience. So anyway, if you're interested, keep following. I'm going to keep documenting, and we're going to see how this goes. So lots of love and blessings. If you're struggling, there's hope. And I think that's really important to remember. So anyway, lots of love.